You're not gonna believe this phone looks, feels, and runs like a flagship, and it's just $150. Yeah, really, I've been using it, and here's what actually matters. Full review. No fluff. Let's go. This is the Redmi Note 14 4G. It's the budget phone that's turning heads in 2025. You get a slick design, a sharp display, solid battery life, and performance that actually keeps up. And the best part? You can grab it for around $150 right now. Check the link in the description. Display, first impression matters. First thing you notice? That screen. You get a 6.79-inch Full HD Plus LCD, but it's not just widgets. Bright, smooth, and responsive. It's rocking a 90 Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling feels way smoother than most phones in this price range. If you watch videos, scroll TikTok, or browse a lot, the screen won't disappoint. Performance? Under the hood, it's got a Snapdragon 685 with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM. Translation? Everyday tasks? Easy. Multitasking? Smooth. Light gaming? Totally doable. Even switching between apps is snappy. For $150, this kind of performance used to be a dream. Battery life? It's a beast. 5,030 milliamp hour means it easily lasts a full day, sometimes 2. And it supports 33W fast charging, so you're back to 100% in about an hour. No more waiting half the day for a full charge. The camera setup is solid. You get a 108 MP main sensor app, 108 megapixels. In good lighting, the shots are shockingly crisp. It won't beat a pixel, but for this price, you'll be more than satisfied for Instagram, WhatsApp, or even casual YouTube content. It also has a decent 13 MP selfie cam for video calls or snaps. This is perfect for students, side hustlers, travelers who need a backup phone, anyone who doesn't want to blow $700 plus on a flagship. You get a clean MIUI 14 experience, Android 13, and it's dual SIM great for work plus personal lines. I've dropped the best link in the description, grab it, while it's still around $150. Use that link to support the channel at no extra cost to you. It helps us keep testing and reviewing phones that actually make sense to buy. Bottom line, this phone feels premium, performs like a mid-range champ, and it's priced like a budget steal. That's the Redmi Note 14 4G for you. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more No BS tech breakdowns. And tell me in the comments, would you grab this or wait for the 5G version? Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.